Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Muhammad Haris Fadila. My student number is 19251874. I am from class 191C35 and this is my presentation for the English 1 courses. Today I would like to share my opinion about the new President of Indonesia, Mr. Prabowo Subianto. I hope you can enjoy my presentation and understand my opinion clearly. I chose the topic because Mr. Prabowo is a strong leader with great experience in politics and the military. He brings new hope and vision for Indonesian future. My first impression about Mr. Prabowo is that he is a strong and brave leader. He has a lot experience in the military and politics and he always looks confident and disciplined in every situation. I can see that he really loves his country and wants to make Indonesia better. That's why I believe in the right person to lead our nation. Mr. Prabowo vision is Indonesian Emas 2045 which is Miss Golden Indonesia. He wants to make Indonesia strong and prosperous. His main focus is on education, food security and technology development. He also aims to reduce poverty and create more job opportunities. The people in short, he dreams of all powerful and independent Indonesian where everyone I can believe in peace and success. Mr. Prabowo has several important programs for the people. He plans give free lunch and milk for students every day to support their health and education. He also supports teachers and soldiers by improving their welfare and appre- appreciation. Mr. Prabowo wants to create more job opportunities for young people across Indonesia. He helps men and fishermen so they can adjust their income the belief better lives. Besides that, he develops in digital economy and innovation sector to make Indonesia modern and competitive. Mr. Prabowo is very serious about fighting corruption and building a clean government. He supports strong law enforcement and wants to justice for everyone. He promotes transparency in every government system so people can trust the process. Mr. Prabowo also continues his investigating on big corruption cases to make sure on one is about the law. Through these efforts, he hopes to build people's trust by creating fair and honesty leadership. I hope Mr. Prabowo can lead my wisely and fairly, so all people can find justice and peace. I also hope can keep his promises to improving the welfare of the people. I wish to her continues to develop education and technology because these are very important for our future. I believe Mr. Prabowo can unite all Indonesians to work together with love and harmony. With strong leadership and good teamwork, I believe he can bring Indonesia to a bigger and better future. Now, I will talk about simple present tense. This is a basic part of English grammar. We ask it talk about daily habits and simple effect. It's easy and we ask it every day when we speak English. So let's learn it together. The simple present tense is used to talk about things we do regularly. It also talk about general factors and tasks like the sunrise in the east. We can use for things that stay the same for a long time. In short, it tells about habits, factors, and situations that don't change. We ask in so simple present tense is many ways. First, we ask is talk about habits or uh, routines. Second, to started general effect or task. For example, metal of boils add on hundreds decades that we can use it to expression feeling or opinions like I love music. We also use to give instruction or direction and to talk about schedules or timetables. Now let's talk about the structure of positive sentence. That simple present tense, the pattern is subject plus verb 1 and something plus s or s. We use the best verb for e, you, we, and they. For example, I study English every day. Nah, but for she, and it, we, it, this, or as. For example, this watches YouTube daily. Next, we have the structure for negative sentence. The simple present tense, the pattern in subject plus do or does plus not and then verb 1 we us don't for you we and they we use don't for he she and it. For example, he doesn't doesn't playing football. Now let's learn make question is the simple present tense. The pattern is do or does plus the subject plus verb 1 and the object. We ask do, I, you, we, and they. We ask does her for her, she, and it. For example, does the study English every day? Here are some examples for of the simple present tense. I go to campus every morning. They like to drink the cafe. Nah, they don't play football on Sunday. Do you study English every day? Yes. These are examples that show habits and routines in daily life. Now let's talk about time experience. In the simple present tense, we use words like every day, every morning, every week to show how often he do something. We can show use always, usually, often, something, or never. Another example is of Mondays on Wednesday, or at the night. For example, is usually watch YouTube at night. Now, let's see common mistake in the simple present tense. The first mistake is forgetting to 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 and s or s after he, she, or it. The second mistake is using verb one after does or doesn't, which in incorrect. Salah. Yeah. Another mistake is speaking tense in one sentence, like using past and present together, and something people forget to use. Team expression are like always, so, or every day. So we must be careful when making sentences. Here are some examples of positive sentence in the simple present tense. I study English for every morning. She watches YouTube every night. They playing football after class. He drinks coffee before work. This is sentence so daily habits, routines that people do every day. Now let's see some experience of negative sentence in the simple present tense. I don't eat rice at night. She doesn't play games on weekday. Weekday. They don't drink coffee in the morning. He don't he don't go to campus on Sunday. This sentence shows things that people don't usually do in their daily life. Here are some examples of questions in the simple present tense. Do you watch YouTube every night? No or yes? Does she study every day? No or yes? Do they playing football after class? Does he drinks coffee in the morning? This is an example of how make simple question is in English. Now let's see as the simple present tense in our daily life. I make I make up I make up 6 a.m. every morning. My mother cooks breakfast every day. I go to campus by motorcycle. We watch YouTube every eh, we watch after we watch YouTube after dinner. This sentence show all daily routines and activities. Now let's pressing use frequency adverb in the simple present tense. We we ask always or for things we do every time, like I always make up early. We use usually or often for things we do many times. For example, She usually study at night. He we say something for things we don't very often like they someday way out and every month we don't do it all. For example, he never playing football. Thank you guys. Thank you. I am sorry make some mistake in my speak English. I am still learn English. Thank you so much very much.